Everyone talk about LDAP, but no one talk about how it was introduced. In 1990s, each application like email, file share, phone book, they kept it as a own user list. HR has to prepare his own spreadsheet, and IT has to maintain another database, and building yet another big chaos. Every time someone joined or left, three team has to update the theme list. Can you imagine? And if mistake is basically piled up, old staff has to access, new staff could not log in, and nobody knew which list was correct. So the heavyweight solution did not fit. Later on, what happened, the telecom world already had a one grand directory standard, which is called as a X.50. It was giant, tightly defined protocol for storing and finding a people and resource. It worked but was so complex and slow that only big phones company could afford to run it. For everyday networks and simple app, X.50 was like using a bulldozer to crack a peanut. So then what happened? There was a concept called as a light bulb moment. In 1993, University of Michigan engineer Mr. Tim and friend said, let's strip X.509 down to just one lookup bit. They created a LDAP, which is called Lightweight Directory Access Protocol. Imagine a tiny phone book server that answers only the question you need. Who is Prab? Who is Prab email? What group does Prab belong to? And skip the heavy formality. And this is how the LDAP changed the things. So now we have a central source of truth. One directory hold all the users, passwords, email address, printer, every service asks the LDAP first. What is the advantage? Fast and simple, because it uses plain TCP port 389, easy CRUD command like search, add and modify, delete, and through that they can do that. Along with that, you can also organize the entries by region or department. Like example, OU equal to HR, organization unit equal to India, DC equal to computer, DC equal to com. So, and it was universally supported because from Windows Active Directory to the Linux Open LDAP, every major system speak about it. So instead of every system has to maintain the directory, now we have one server which hold all the directory. And without LDAP, every app would still juggle its own user roster. So LDAP give them a simple, lightweight phone book for a whole network, fast to query, easy to update, and perfect to team across the APAC region. This is all from my side. Do let me know how do you find this video in a comment box, and shall I make more videos like that in a more simpler manner. Thank you so much.